Welcome to MB Shoe Doc, where we explore the world of quality dress shoes for men. We will cover the art of patina and shine, learn to care for our shoes, review the brands that you love, and introduce brands that you've never heard of. Hello, my friends. Hopefully you are all doing well. It's been quite an exciting year, hasn't it? But we're going to keep moving on. I have got a new brand to reveal to you today, Vahtia. So this is a brand in Indonesia. So this is something that I've really enjoyed and kind of loved about exploring these different brands is all these shoes from different countries. So it used to be that, it was maybe Spain and England and Italy had all the nice shoes, all the well-respected brands, but that is just not the case anymore. So we're getting brands like this coming out of Indonesia, Vietnam, China, everywhere you can think of, and I just love it. So let's get into these. So Vahtia, again, it's an Indonesian brand. Vahtia means to keep you on top of your game. So their kind of goal is to keep you on top of your shoe game. A little note here thanking you for your purchase. Aji, A-J-I, Aji is the owner of the company. Very, very cool. So this is the El Cid. This is a boot, and it is like an austerity brogue boot. This one is, the leather is Annonay, so very well-known tannery. Really, really nice here. I love the shape of this. So it's got kind of a chiseled toe, a little bit more of an aggressive toe shape. And I have not seen another austerity brogue boot like this. Let's take the other one out. Got some shoe bags. Now, one thing I'll point out, this is not a big deal at all. A couple little stains on the shoe bags, I think from they polish these before they send them out. I kind of talked to them about that already, and they're thinking that they're going to end up going with some gray shoe bags instead of the white. The white's a nice look, but I think practically speaking, maybe it's not the best. So you know what? These guys just started in June, so it's a new brand. I'm going through this with my brand, trying to figure out shoe bags and things like that too. The box is really kind of cool. I like the slide-out design. There's also some some engraving on the box, really nice. I will note also that this one's a little bit difficult to pull out, but I think that's something that happens. They get a little crushed in shipping, so again, not a big deal. Certainly nothing that I find to be really negative there. But again, looking at these boots, really a nice design. It is sleek. This leather feels exceptionally soft. Really, really nice leather. These are actually hand welted, which is unheard of in this price range. Well, what's the price range? So these are about $410, with the shoes being more like $350. But I don't know if anyone else is doing hand welting for less than $600. It's a Dynite rubber studded sole. Really, really nice. Take a look at this other one just to compare. I mean, I don't see any kind of defects in the stitching. It looks to be really well made. The stitch density is good, and all the stitching details on the uppers really looks great. So absolutely a beautiful pair. The El Cid, this boot. Let's take a look. So they were kind enough to send another pair, which is pretty unbelievable. So we're going to take a look here too. Again, this box is a little bit difficult to open. It's a beautiful box, but they may end up changing something on the design. Oof, this one is indeed kind of tough to get that out. So this is the Siegfried, and this is a wingtip derby. Let's take a look at this guy. Also, a really nice looking shoe here. And again, I'll point out just the leather really feels good. It's full grain leather. This one is from Dupuy Tannery, also very well known. So Annonay, Dupuy. Nice toe burnish. It looks like they shine these some before they send them out too. So there's definitely some hand polishing going on here. Again, hand welted. This one with a closed channel sole. And quite nice. I'll also point out the heel, really tightly cut heel. The boot, similar. It sticks out a little bit more, which I think is fitting on the boot design. But this one really well, very sculpted and fits really tight there. Quite nice. And again, I don't see any kind of defects here. The stitching is high density and really accurate. With the broguing, you know, a lot of times you can get some little brogue holes that haven't had the leather pulled out. And I don't see any of that on the pair, which is nice. And again, hand welted for, you know, $350 is unheard of. So pretty nice there. And they let me know that these also have a steel shank in them too, which is kind of a rare find at this price range as well. So really nice. Let you get a better look at this. So I'm going to do the unboxing like this, kind of where you can see me from straight on, but I'm also going to shine these up, and so that'll be more of a zoomed in view, so you'll get a better look at these. Right now they let me know that they are doing a special on some of their older stock that have just some defective boxes, you know, some smashed boxes, things like that, but the shoes themselves in perfect shape. They are selling the shoes for $270 versus the normal $350 with free shipping, and the boots for $320 instead of the normally like $420 on those. So Vahtia in Indonesia, definitely a brand worth checking out. We're going to get these shined up a little bit more. They're pretty shiny already, but we're going to shine them a little bit more, get them on the feet, and you will see a little bit more of them very soon. I am very impressed. Alright, we are back again looking at the El Cid here. And, you know, up close you can get a little better look at the boot. Look at that. It's austerity brogue boot. Absolutely beautiful. Let's talk about that actually for a minute. Austerity brogue, where did that come from? So, you know, it's got this wingtip type design. So a full brogue is a wingtip shoe where it's got all the broguing in that wing pattern. So they call this the austerity brogue because it had that wingtip type shape, but without the broguing. Now I will say this is pretty well polished. They hand polished these before they shipped them out, I can tell. Really nice shine. I'm barely just going to touch this up a bit. There's not much needed. This will be shined up in no time. But absolutely a beautiful boot. Can't wait to put these on. So I'm using a little bit of Saphir. This is dark brown PDL. Got my little water dispenser here from Shoe Care Shop. Kind enough to send that to me, and I believe they sent me the polish as well. So a little bit of dark brown here, putting a single drop of water on the toe. We're just going to do a light buffing here. Now I've talked about this before, and I'll mention it again, since I haven't worn it before, and this is kind of an elongated toe cap. I don't know where it's going to crease when I wear it. So you wouldn't want to mirror shine the entire length of the kind of wingtip shape here. You really want to keep that high shine isolated to just the toe tip. There's nothing more aggravating than spending time shining up a pair and then you get a crack going through your mirror shine. You have to do the whole thing over again. So we do not want that. truthfully, that is nearly there. Just a little one round of polish is all it needed. I do believe that they send all their shoes out this way, polished like that. So that's just a very nice touch. And truthfully, they probably had it mirror shined when they sent it out, but just the jostling around during shipping probably marred it slightly. So yeah, it was pretty well mirrored when I got it. Only took one round of wax to get what I call a full mirror. We'll do the same on the other one, but yeah, they are looking good already. Alright, here we are again with the Siegfried, the wingtip derby. And really, like I said on the other shoe, this thing is pretty highly polished already. I mean, it's close to a mirror shine right out of the box. They definitely hand polished this before sending it out. I'm going to do just a tiny bit of work on these, but they're absolutely wearable right now. It's really not even necessary to do this, but it's what I do. So I'm using just Sphere Mirror Gloss in neutral. These already have a little bit of a toe burnish. Don't think it needs any more. Beautiful pair by Vahtia. Didn't really add any heel shine on these. I didn't really feel like it needed it. Just gonna go with the toe shine and look forward to wearing these probably this week. Might even wear these tomorrow. Really nice looking pair. Beautiful. Thanks again to Vahtia, and look forward to seeing more styles and designs from you in the future. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and shine. Please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share. And stay tuned as there are more unboxings and custom patinas to come.